Someone at Google I/O was holding a phone and it had a glow around the camera that nobody was supposed to see.
And within hours, the internet exploded. Was this the Pixel 11 caught in the wild?
One guy in the back, a phone, a ring of LED light around the camera module. That's all it took. But when I zoomed in, I noticed something that changed everything. The metal bar, the thermometer, the LED flash. This phone still had all of it. Every leak, every render says the Pixel 11 Pro goes full glass. No thermometer, no metal strip, just clean visor. Option A, that is the Pixel 11, and every leak and render we've seen is just wrong. So we're left with exactly two possibilities, and only one of them makes sense. Option B, Google grabbed a Pixel 10 Pro, slapped some LEDs on it, and used it as a prop to tease the feature. And honestly, Google absolutely does this. They love a calculated leak. They live for the hype. People started asking, is the thermometer coming back? And I didn't want to give anyone false hope. Everything still points to the thermometer being gone on the Pixel 11 series. Gone. Finished. Done. But the glow, that LED ring around the camera housing, that part looks very real and very cool. Maybe they needed brighter LEDs just so it would actually show up on a conference livestream. That's a real possibility. Either way, we don't have long to wait. August is basically right around the corner. Drop your theory in the comments. I read every single one, and I'll see you when the Pixel 11 actually drops.